I don't even know where I'm going. Look at this. It's chaos and my goodness me, it's completely flooded. Look at this river.
Flash floods in Nairobi, Kenya. Kenya Meteorological Department Director David Gikungu has now said that Kenyans should brace for heavy rains over the next 7 days, between Tuesday, April 22, and April 28. In a public announcement on Monday night, he said heavy rains are expected, especially in the Central Highlands, including Nairobi, Western Kenya, Lake Victoria Basin, Southeastern Lowlands, Central and Southern Rift Valley, and Northeastern Kenya. Areas such as Nyandarua, Laikipia, Nyeri, Kirinyaga, Murang'a, Kiambu, Meru, Embu, Tharaka-Nithi, and Nairobi, which are located in central Kenya, are expected to receive moderate to heavy rains this week. According to the Kenya Meteorological Department, moderate rains are expected in the above-mentioned areas during the first half of the forecast period, followed by heavy rains for the rest of the week. Gikungu also predicted heavy rains in the Lake Victoria Basin and Rift Valley areas, including Nandi, Kakamega, Vihiga, Bungoma, Siaya, Busia, Baringo, Nakuru, Trans Nzoia, and Uasin Gishu. Elgeyo Marakwet, West Pokot, Kisii, Nyamira, Kericho, Bomet, Kisumu, Homa Bay, Migori, and Narok counties are also expected to experience heavy rains over the next 7 days. Gikungu, in a public announcement on Monday night, said heavy rains are expected, especially in the Central Highlands, including Nairobi, Western Kenya, Lake Victoria Basin, Southeastern Lowlands, Central and Southern Rift Valley, and Northeastern Kenya. Counties such as Nyandarua, Laikipia, Nyeri, Kirinyaga, Murang'a, Kiambu, Meru, Embu, Tharaka-Nithi, and Nairobi, located in central Kenya, are expected to experience moderate to heavy rains this week.
Flooded. There's a river there that has...
According to the Kenya Met chief, moderate rain is expected in the above-mentioned areas during the first half of the forecast period, followed by heavy rain for the rest of the week. Gikungu also predicted heavy rain in the Lake Victoria Basin and Rift Valley areas, including Nandi, Kakamega, Vihiga, Bungoma, Siaya, Busia, Baringo, Nakuru, Trans Nzoia, and Uasin Gishu.
I don't even know where I'm going. Look at this. It's chaos and...
Elgeyo Marakwet, West Pokot, Kisii, Nyamira, Kericho, Bomet, Kisumu, Homa Bay, Migori, and Narok areas are also expected to experience heavy rain over the next 7 days. In the low-lying areas of southeastern Machakos, Kitui, Makimini, Kajiado, and Taita Taveta, as well as inland Tana River County, Gikungu said residents should brace for heavy rain.
It's going to be a long night here for everyone using Mombasa Road tonight.
Morning showers as well as afternoon and evening showers and thunderstorms are likely in these areas, sometimes scattered in places during the first half of the forecast period. The districts in the region include Mombasa, Kilifi, Lamu, and Kwale, and the coastal districts of Tana River, Marsabit, Mandera, Wajir, Garissa, and Isiolo. Similarly, Gikungu noted that the average nighttime temperature would be below 10 degrees Celsius in parts of the eastern Rift Valley Plateau, the central Rift Valley, and around Mount Kilimanjaro. According to the weather expert in his advisory, the districts in the region include Kirinyaga, Murang'a, Kiambu, Meru, Embu, Tharaka-Nithi, Nairobi, Kakamega, Vihiga, Bungoma, Siaya, Buja, Baringo, Nakuru, Trans-Nzoia, Uasin Gishu, and Elgeyo Marakwet.